What classes do we have tomorrow? Wow, an LOL doll. How did she get here? Shall we prepare her for the school year? For the first idea, you will need a pen. Take it apart and remove the ink rod. Cut it. Be careful you don't spill the ink everywhere. Insert a feather into the rod. Wrap it with colored paper. A mini pen for your LOL doll is ready. It's cute and glamorous. It's perfect for small doll hands. The little doll will be delighted with her new pen. We bet you can't wait to find out what's next. Take a Lego brick and a wire. Bend the wire with pliers to make a bunny ear shape. Hot glue another piece of wire between the ears. Cut off 2 pieces from the thin tip of a pipette. Attach them to the Lego. Secure the wire. Insert the ends into the plastic tubes. You just made a stand for doll books. And when you are not using it, you can put it back together. Wow! Studying with my LOL doll is so much fun! What's our homework for tomorrow? For the next idea, you will need a notebook. Actually, just part of it. Cut out a rectangular piece. It's a notebook for your LOL doll. Now you have to color it. Go ahead and judge a notebook by its cover. Draw a stripe with green paint. Add white and red. Draw a face and watermelon seeds. Wow! I wish I could be a doll so people would make cute accessories for me too! Wait, is your LOL doll barefoot? It's time to warm her up. You need a pair of googly eyes. Make a cut with a utility knife in the middle. Remove the black pupil. Put the pieces on the doll's feet. Coat them with white acrylic paint. Use a thin marker to draw shoelaces. Decorate the sole with a shiny ribbon. What beautiful sneakers! They will make all her friends jealous. Make a few pairs at once, so none of the dolls feel left out. Did you drink some soda? We'll tell you what you can do with a can. Cut out a rectangle with a utility knife. Bend the edges. Cut the tip from a thin piece of metal at an acute angle. Make stripes and insert it into the other piece. Decorate with hot glue. Color it. Look in your pencil case. It looks exactly like the real thing. Look, even the blades move out. For this idea, take an empty blister pack. Tear off the protective foil. Cut it in half. Fold it and fasten it with a thumbtack. Use a black marker to draw a kawaii face. What is this? An amazing LOL pencil case! Your doll will keep all her school supplies in this silver container. A stylish accessory for a little fashionista. Take a plastic cap and a box cutter. Cut off part of the cap. Cover it with green paper. Decorate with dark green stripes. Use a marker to draw a cute face. Place some red slime inside. Wow! It's a mini watermelon slime! Go ahead and play with it! You won't be bored during recess with slime in such a funny container. Regular pencils are too big for you, little LOL. It's okay, we have a craft specifically for you. Take colored pencils and a box cutter. Sharpen the pencil up to the rod. Now let's take masking tape and wrap the rod with it. Leave the sharp tip on the outside. Do the same with the other pencils. Color the tape in the color of the pencil. Use markers. These pencils are so tiny! Now your LOL doll can write down all her creative ideas. That's great! Now her desk isn't empty anymore. Do you have an old cover from a file folder? Here's an idea for how to use it. Cut out a square from the transparent and the colored part of the folder. Bend the edge. Glue the transparent square. Take a wire and a piece of paper. Fasten it to the folder. The binder is ready. But what about the folders? Let's cut them out of a regular plastic bag. Cut out a square. Cover the edge with tape. Poke holes with a needle and the folder is ready. Insert important kawaii documents into the files. All my papers are organized and easy to see. What can I do with an old plastic bag? You are about to find out. Cut out a small square. Cut a rectangular hole. Glue the edges with tape. Take one wet wipe out of the pack. Cut it into small rectangles. Put them in the small bag. Seal the edge and fasten a clasp made out of decorative tape. Wet wipes are a must-have for any young lady. Your doll will thank you for this. And for this idea, you will need thumbtacks and thick sticker paper. Cut off a thin strip of sticker paper. Connect the thumbtacks with the needles towards each other. Wrap them with sticker paper. Here are your doll's new weights. By the way, thumbtacks with flat tops can also be excellent sports equipment. Let's keep going. Take off the silicone decoration from an old pen. Be careful not to tear it. Cut the band lengthwise. Attach mini pom-poms to the edges. You got elastic fitness tapes. Let's start PE class. Girls, line up. Take some sticky notes. Draw hearts in the corner with a pencil. Cut them out. You can make any shape, like a diamond if you want. You can make a lemon or lime slice using paints. Whatever you can imagine, you can make it. Your doll will have the best accessories in school. The doll loves soda, but such a big can is obviously out of her league. You need a plastic pipette. Cut off a piece from it. Glue on a Coca-Cola label. Take a piece of foil. Cut out circles to match. Glue the bottoms, and a Q-tip will make a perfect drinking straw. Insert it into the can. Should we refresh ourselves? How about a can of cold soda? Our poor little doll can't handle a regular pencil. Here's an idea for a mini version. You need a pill in a plastic capsule. Remove the contents. Pierce a hole with an awl in one of the halves. Sharpen the pencil and remove the pencil lead. Insert the slate into the hole. Connect the halves of the capsule. Done! Sorry, doll, you won't get away from your homework now. And for this LOL idea, take a small container with a lid. Pour water into it. Paint it blue. Add sparkles. You probably have some lying around by now. Stir well and tighten the lid. Beautiful! Bend the end of a wire with pliers and cut off a small piece. Hot glue it to the lid. Attach a piece of plastic to open and close the tap right above the faucet. Take 4 short sticks. Attach them to the lid with hot glue. What do you think it is? Well, of course, it's a cooler for an LOL classroom. Thirsty? There is no need to run to the store. Now your dolls always have access to clean, cool water. Did you like our LOL life hacks? Which one of these mini ideas will you bring to her school life today? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to watch more videos about your favorite little LOLs from Troom Select.